The watches, as I've taken a glimpse of, are absolutely mind-blowingly cool. From a technical perspective, from a design perspective, and such an extraordinary embodiment of everything you've achieved over this past 2.5 decades.
So this is I would say, the continuation of the Full Strike adventure, where we presented the first watch back in 2016 and won the famous Aiguille d'Or in 2017. You know, when you win a prize like the Aiguille d'Or, you can either be very satisfied and take a break, or, but that's not like me, and
I didn't think so.
or say to yourself, well, what is next? Expectations are there, expectations are high, and can we possibly enhance something that is already quite enchanting in terms of speaking about the sound? My dream was to further enhance possibly the sound of the watch, but also to kind of suspend the movement in time, suspend the movement in a seamless, transparent case where, at the end of the day, you would wander into the movement. In fact, I was never a friend of making a transparent sapphire case, but a watch that is really built on a function that uses sapphire crystal. That was the time to do it, the only time to do it, probably. And you may want to hear it.
I would love to. That's an amazing sounding watch.